Hi, thanks so much for tuning in today. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of Barbecue Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked from our customers, which is how do I attach my rotisserie skewer to my rotisserie motor? So when you purchase one of our large flaming coal spit roasters, they all come with a quick release pin, which makes it super simple to attach and remove the skewer from the rotisserie motor. A lot simpler than dealing with a nut and a bolt, especially when the fire is piping hot. Now you'll notice towards the end of the skewer, it has a 5mm hole that goes straight through it. Now that 5mm hole is also replicated on the rotisserie motor. Now all you need to do is line up the hole on the skewer to the hole on the motor and insert the quick release pin. If you'd like to stay connected and keep on upping your barbecue game, don't forget to hit subscribe, leave us a comment below, give us a huge thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.